Telegram, how to delete account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete account on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting the account on Telegram is also quite simple. Open Telegram, tap the three lines option, go to settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, Telegram FAQ. Under Telegram FAQ, just look for this option here known as your account, and under your account you'll find the option called delete your Telegram account. Tap on the delete your Telegram account link, and here you can see the Q question that is how do I delete my account. Here you can see deactivation page sentence highlighted in blue, so tap on this deactivation page link. It will take you to Telegram's deactivation page, where first of all you have to enter your phone number in the international format. So first you have to actually enter your phone number in the country code. So if you don't know your country code, you can simply search them on Google. Once you've done that, enter the phone number and tap on next, verify the code, and then after that your account will get deleted. This way you can delete Telegram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.